You are going to love the 2018 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.